At the Ballarat Gov Hub, workers are finishing projects on every level, with ceilings and carpet being installed and installing the large amounts of ducting required to heat and cool a building of this size. Working in the basement, contractors are assembling the smart workstations that will be installed in many of the open workspaces across all levels. Most of the large glass walls, windows and panels have been installed, and as you walk through various areas of the building, you can see just how much natural light they let into the open workspaces. Externally, most of the architectural features have been installed, and the landscaping has been started as well.
As you can see, over the last month, internal progress has really got underway. Level 1, as you can see, we've got carpets, ceiling tiles, everything in, the glass, internal partitions. All our bathrooms are all fit off. Even the workstations are all going in now. All other floors are progressing just in the same time frames, with probably a week in between each floor. Level 2, carpets, workstations are also started. Level 3, maybe a little bit behind with carpets. Level 4, ceilings and services are just finishing. With all the external works, conservatory portal frame has gone up, which forms the new public space adjacent to the Civic Hall. Landscape works are also well underway, with blockwork walls supporting all the garden beds starting. Up on the roof, we're just about watertight. We've got 90% of the roof on, with the last of the curtain wall going in on the Market Street end. Mechanical commissioning is well underway, where we've pressurised all the systems and we're ready to fire those up and commence the bulk of the main commissioning. Some of the features you might see from driving past the building is all the architectural steel. This is pretty highly detailed and is intricate installed. These architectural elements will be clad in the same colour as the roof, which will wrap the entire external of the building.
Stay tuned for more video updates on this exciting project.